This is page number 59 of Arya Book Depot, class 6. Topic is to check whether a number is prime or not. First, if the number is less than 200, if the number is less than 200, we know that 14 into 14 is equal to 9196. 14 into 14 is equal to 96, and this is less than of 200. And find the next number is 15 into 15, that is, and this is more than 200. Thus, to check a number less than 200, we have to examine if the given number is divisible by any of the prime numbers less than 15. To check a number less than 200, we have to examine if the given number is divisible by any of the prime numbers less than 15. Like less than 15, how many numbers are there? 2 is there, 3 is there, 5, 7, then 11, then 13. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. If the given number is divisible, then it is not prime, otherwise it is a prime number. In second case, if the number is less than 500, in that case 22 into 22, this is 484, and this is less than 500. And 23 into 23 is equal to 5 to 9. This is more than the 500. In this case, so that number should be, if that number is divisible by the prime numbers less than 23, then that this is not prime, otherwise prime. So then the given number is not prime, otherwise it is a prime number. This process continues, and we can apply this rule to any number greater than 500 as well. Now let us consider some example. Example number 12. Example number 12. Which of the following numbers are prime and which are not? Like first one is 73. 73, whether it is prime or not. As n 9 into 9, here you have to see 9 into 9 is equal to 81, and 8 into 8 is equal to 64. So we have to check, we have to divide that number with the prime numbers less than 9. So check the divisibility of 73 by the prime numbers which is less than of 9. So here it is 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we have to check the divisibility of 73 by these numbers. Therefore 73 is the prime number. This is not divisible by 2. 7 plus 3 is 10, not divisible by 3. Here it either should be 0 or 5, so not by 7. And in the case of 7, here the odd and even value is 5. So this is not the divided by 7 also. So this number 73 is a prime number. Second, 1, 2, 3. 123. 123. See, here it is 12 into 12, and this is more than 123, and 11 into 11 is 121. This is less than the 123. So we have to check the divisibility by the prime numbers which is less than the 12, that is the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So we will divide one by one. So not possible by 2, 3, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. It is divided by 3, so this is not a prime number. Next is 247. Next is 247. Here 16 into 16 is equal to 256, which is greater than the 247, and 15 into 15, this is less than our 247. So we have to check the divisibility of this number by the prime numbers less than 60. So we have to check 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and that means that. So for here, okay, by 2 not possible, not possible, not possible, not possible. Thirteen, 247, 13, 117. Yes, divisible by 13. So this 247, to check 247 is not a prime number. And the fourth one is 391. Similarly, you can check by 3421 also. Example number 13 is there. So two more question is also there. 391. 391. So this is 391. 20 into 20 is equal to 400. More than 391. And 19 into 19 is equal to okay. So we have to check the divisibility of this number 391 by the prime numbers less than 20. It is just 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17, then 19 also. So 2 is not possible, 3 not possible, 7, 4, 5 not possible, 11, 11 here 3 not possible, 13 not possible, 17, then you divide 3, 9, 1, 17. Yes. So this number is not prime because it is divided by 17. Next is 421. Next is 421. This is 4 to 1. 4 to 1. That is 21 into 21 is equal to 441. And which is greater than the 421. So we have to check by less than prime numbers. Derivative of this number by the prime numbers less than 21 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 2 is not possible, not possible, not possible, not possible. Both 21 by 13, not possible, by 17. Not possible, by 19. Not possible. So this is the prime.